Let me tell you a story about two software developers. Both of them on Monday received a feature to develop in one sprint. The first software developer, starting by designing his data structures, his database schemas, his typed schemas, his Swagger schemas, and all the other schemas he could imagine. And then, only then, on the second part of the week, he connected all these schemas by the code. But the second developer started with writing the code. He wrote his controllers, his routers, and on the second part of the week he understood that he didn't get the requirements right. He didn't read all the thing and only designed small part of the thing that now is a conflict with the other part of the thing. So he needed to spend some time to rewriting his routers and controllers, and he wasn't on time by the end of the sprint. The moral of the story is to describe the system first and then to start to write code. You need to describe the whole surface of the system and only then start to write and optimize small details. The best way to describe all the system is to describe data structures. And after that, the connection of the code is trivial. Well, for example, for web development. What do you think? How do you design your software? Please leave a comment. Thank you. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexei Kozin and let me tell you what we are doing here. Our main goal here is to train and practice non-trivial software development skills, because all the trivial software development skills will be replaced by an AI agent in the near future, and we don't want to get replaced by an AI agent, okay? So we need to train something non-trivial. Lead code is trivial, we will not train it, yeah? We will find a source of real-life software problems that an AI can solve and we can solve them and learn on the software problems, and that's how we grow. So we found out that GitHub is a cool source of open source real-life software problems, yeah? We took like random GitHub issue in Node.js, in a big project Node.js, and we try to solve this issue ourselves, yeah, to practice. So this issue is really cool because it touches multiple language layers like JavaScript, C++, C. The basic idea, we have like C library SQLite, and we have like Node.js, and in Node.js we have apply change net function, and this function needs a parameter on conflict, and this parameter needs to accept lambda function, and this is what we are doing today. We're trying to implement this lambda function. Yeah, what we have already done, we configured our Nvim to support C++ include files. It was really cool. Basically, we need to like feed the bear with output of make. Who knew? The output of make feed the bear, and bear will produce compile commands database. And our IDE use this compile commands database with cllnode and now can resolve all this red stuff. The next thing we did, we configured and compiled the debug build. Yeah, because we want to put breakpoints in our C++ code and debug this shit. Yeah, but we encountered problems that we couldn't configure our DApp in our Nvim to support LLDB. Yeah. Currently, this is the issue. We'll try to add LLDB support to our DApp, and then we can put breakpoints, and then we can debug stuff. And when we can debug stuff and navigate and stuff, we can implement our own conflict function, and we can solve our SQLite issue. And by solving the SQLite issue, we train non-trivial skills, and by training non-trivial skills, we will not get replaced by AI. So pretty straightforward. So let's begin. As usual, let's start a 45 minutes timer. I don't have all day. I have a daytime job and a kid to raise. So let's do it quick. My friend Kunal recommended me Node.js LLDB Node repo for debugging stuff. This is like really cool advice. Thank you very much, my friend. I checked this repo, but I haven't installed this plugin to LLDB. I used LLDB before to debug some ARM64 assembler. It was really... It's frankly really convenient, but not convenient as IDE. So last time maybe check it today. I see like how it's going because I don't know how to do it like correctly. So if you debug stuff with LLDB, for example, let me check like LLDB and our output folder, output and debug here and Node. We can like run Node in LLDB with no problem. Yeah. And what can we do here? Blah, 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 blah. Like it's quite slow to load this shit. Why? So what comes commands we can do here? I forgot. ls no f command requires current. We have process no. Current executable set. We need to start. No, I need to help. Info. No, help. Help. Okay, help. How to use LLDB. Blah blah blah. How to run. Breakpoint. Attach. Call. Select. History. Jump. Next. Start. Start. Not start. Run. 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 Let's run. Okay, we are in Node, but we are in Node. I don't want to be in Node. I want to be in LLDB. Okay, this is how we jump to LLDB. So yeah, this is LLDB. We can check code around. Yeah, this is like ARM64 assembler. We can like search basically anything about our program. We can set breakpoints. We can jump to stuff. We can like trace something. Lots of cool stuff, but it's not really convenient. I can see I need to type things to get the thing to do something. Yeah. Can, for example, I list. So check this. This is JS layer. No. Oh, we want to debug this function. Yeah. So we inside like Nvim, and inside Nvim we can put breakpoints here, like with letter B. You can see here letter B. So this is much more convenient than typing here like breakpoint position. It's really inconvenient. So it's better to make NeoVim to support LLDB than trying to live inside the LLDB. What I think, yeah. But to support an NVim, we need to configure another thing. Let me jump there. Yeah, this configuration is DAP. DAP is what allows us to debug our code inside NeoVim. So in DAP, we need to run some configuration. And this configuration needs like LLDB launch type, but we don't support the LLDB. Yeah, we have support PVR node, but not LLDB. And this is like issue. Yeah, we try to solve. And in the previous episodes, we installed something else, and this something else should allow us to do it. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. We need to ask help from ChatGPT because he's all knowledgeable, and this information is quite common. How to configure DAP to support LLDB? The adapter is not found in my system. I am using Mac OS, Nvim, and DAP. This is straightforward. So what I need to do? Yeah, VS Code LLDB. I don't have VS Code LLDB. How to install VS Code LLDB? This will be quite interesting. So yeah, Visual Studio Code provides a lot of tools, and this tool that I also need in my NeoVim. How to install this shit? Mac Internet. How to install this guy? And to install this guy, we need to LLVM. Yeah. What is LLVM? LLVM is a thing. It's a backend for developing programming languages. So when you write your custom programming language, like Carbon, for example, or Go, you write it, and then it compiles to LLVM syntax, and LLVM can produce binaries on all the machines across the globe. Yeah. So if you want your language to compile all the machines across the globe, you compile it to this guy, the intermediate layer, like LLVM, and then it will compile to everything else. So it looks like LLVM has the adapter we need, LLDB adapter inside of it. Yeah. So. Have I started my timer? Yes, I have started my timer. So how to do it? I installed LLVM out of screen. Yeah, because it takes a lot. Maybe I have this binary already. I don't have this binary. This is frankly frustrating. How to get it? I can say I've installed LLVM. Where is my adapter? It doesn't cook. Manually install. So they claim I need to install it manually. Why not? Because this guy, where it is, this one, JS debugger, was installed manually. Yeah. As usual, it's it's very frustrating to learn new shit. Okay, this repo looks legit. A native debugger extension for VS Code for LLDB. Okay, let's try just it. We will not be cute. Just install this guy and run it and see what we can do. Git clone. By the way, it could be a virus and I will never know it. Never like blindly follow instructions from ChatGPT. May ask you do some crazy shit. Install, for example, like what is this? There is no install. There is no install. There is no install. My friend, there is no install. How to use it? How to build? Yeah. Fractals. Cool stuff. Build. Building MD. Okay, please, building MD, help me. CD, yes, we did it. Configure. I need to build. Starting new shell. CMake. Make check. Do I need this? Make target. Can I just make? No. Configure CMake. How to configure? Yeah, I want to configure, but I don't want to like do these things. Tricky. It's tricky. Okay, we need to find not tricky way to install it. Yeah. How is code LLDB CLI? I've installed LLVM. Yes. Perhaps I have here something. No such file directory. Okay. How to search a binary across all the computer on Mac. Find binary name. Let's try this. I can't recall how to search stuff. So we'll do it. As usual, it's very hard. I just want my debugger. Please. Let's do this sudo find. Okay. My password. I don't know my password. I know my password. So while it's searching, let's search something. What is called LLDB? Can I use brew to install it? I have releases. ARM 64. This is me. I'm ARM 64. I'm not Darwin. I'm not Darwin though. I'm not Darwin. If I'm not Darwin, how can I install this? VSEX file doesn't tell me anything. I don't know what is this. Yeah, I don't know how to use this. Yeah. Still nothing. How to find? Yeah, LLVM has LLDB. And I have LLVM. The extension requires LLDB DAP. Formally, I need LLDB DAP. This is a legacy. I need this one. Okay, how to install this one? LLDB DAP. How to install? LLDB, blah blah blah. Tools pause to install, run package, VS Code install. The fuck? Install modern version of Node. On VS Code execute command, install code command in path. Updating, deploying, formatting. Set up LLDB build. To build LLDB from source, you need to. I can build it from source, but I don't want to, frankly, because building takes a lot of time. Still searching. I am using Mac and LLVM. Can I have LLDB DAP? Okay, which? I don't have this one. Access from apps, terminal low. What about here? Do I have this one? Look, guys, I already have LLDB DAP because I installed LLVM and now we have it in path. Hallelujah! I didn't need to do anything. Okay, but we make some progress. Okay. Okay. What's next, though? What next, though? We have LLVM DAP adapters, executable command. Let's put our command here, like this, LLDB DAP. Yeah, it's analogous. And what we can do now, this one we will just try to launch our node, yes, correctly. And we will use this one will be this. And here we want to, let's current file, let's hold on a second. Let's temporarily disable this one and just run the whole test file. Like, let's comment out this and remove this. Hold on a second. And try to produce the whole test file. So let's remember this location in our bookmarks. Now like this, and like this, like this. Let's jump here. I don't want to jump here. I want to jump here. No, not here. Yes, I want to jump here, and I want to tab new our configuration test name. What? I need to restart. Okay, let's restart. Let's start. Jump to our bookmark. Not here. Let's jump here, and I want tab new this one. And I don't know what's happening. Yeah. LLDB DAP. llnode. We also have like extension for LLDB itself. Yeah, but I want to do it in the last way. Let's like run the. You can Xcode using LLDB that comes with it. Xcode. I already have this extension. How to use it? llnode. Do you have llnode? I don't have llnode. How to debug you? This is frustrating. How to debug you? So I really have this one. I really have this one. Yes? Do I have this one? Which not found? Because I have different folder. Yeah, I have this one. But I need output. Run in terminal. Let's leave this one. Let's stop on entry. What else we can do? Request launch. What is request? Launch. Function. Stop on entry false. Args. So okay, let's try it. Once again, breakpoint here, here, tab, new. I need to restart once again. Hold on. Not here, here. Here we put breakpoint. No. Breakpoint here, and tab, new, and this one. Okay. Error executing. Invalid value for argument cmd. Project's not LLDB but is not executable. I shit you not, it's not executable. You need to find it in the global path. Please. Okay, well, at least we did get something. We can do like this and get our LLDB location. Because I think it needs the full pass, not like some local pass. We need full pass. Okay, here you go. Let's jump to here, put breakpoint, jump here, and tab new and attach. Source missing. Can't jump to frame. Tilt start. The fuck is this? Once again, tab new. I don't know what is it. Source missing. TLD start. Okay. Source missing TLD start. I don't know what is this. I have no idea what is this. We have a plugin. Maybe it's like Holy Mary we can throw. We can search for this config. For this config, we can search in GitHub itself. So let me show you how it's done. It's a very cool feature. Very cool feature of GitHub to search configs. How to GitHub? How many time I left? I have half of time. So we have pass feature, and pass feature we will pass Lua, init Lua, and here we'll search for LLDB. Tab, please. And we found something. Okay, we have our adapters here. Because you can see, I can search for a specific file and specific text in specific file. And now I can find some configuration on Nvim for do exactly what I want. This guy just do like this. I don't understand it. Maybe I need to restart again. Okay, I don't need this one, but it's not important. Then what? Okay, I have LLDB. Then what? Pass to executable. Pass to what executable? I have program. I have program. I don't need pass to execute. I already have program. Maybe I need like global pass again. Like which out debug what out debug node, yeah, which how to print the whole pass. Let's just let's combine it ourselves like this. It's a complete whole pass. So this guy just like dynamic dynamic program to debug. We have century program to debug. Post run commands. Process handle prune tells I don't know what it is. Run terminal false. False. Stop and enter false. Let's okay, false stop and enter, why not? Args empty set. No, I don't have empty set. I have real args here. I don't have empty set. Stop and entry false. So I don't have empty set. I have test file. This should work, but it somehow doesn't. So here we put our breakpoint. Here we jump here, and we make like new tab, tab new, and 3. And nothing. Nothing. How much time we have? Not much time. Okay, we need to do something. So this pass doesn't work. It's not bad. We can use LLDB and try to debug this manually. Let's try manual. Maybe something is missing. Maybe some configuration is missing. So this is why we can't debug. So this one should work. Yeah. We need to find this guy and put breakpoint here. So I can't recall how to work with LLDB. How in LLDB find C++ function and code. Let's just jump there. Breakpoint. I don't want like this. Lookup, maybe. Maybe lookup. Okay, I have some debug symbols. I really have debug symbols and can node SQLite database thing. Yes. Perhaps I can just like I can put my debug point here. Okay, let's exit. Now we can run it, but we need to run it with some command line arguments. Yeah, we don't just want to run node and hope that everything works fine. We want to run this test file, and to run this test file, we need to do this, like this. So, for example, bam, some issue. Why? There is some issue. I forgot to fix this part of the code. True. So once again, this test passed. Now we can, so this node runs this test in the JavaScript file. Now we can just provide LLDB. No. Why not? I think arguments pass with different syntax. How to pass arguments to node before running it is LLDB. Help me. Dash separator. Okay, I have no issue here. Dash separator. Hold on. Okay, and let's put our breakpoint here and run. We ran, but we didn't hit the breakpoint. That's unfortunate. No breakpoint. Why no breakpoints? I haven't put breakpoint. Hold on a second. How to put breakpoint? Image lookups. How to put breakpoint? How to put breakpoint on apply change set. Like this. Okay. Okay, run. No breakpoint was hit. Breakpoint lists. How to look the code around breakpoint. Source list, line number. Okay, show source list. Nothing. Source list and function name. Can you do this one? Okay, what is this? This is a header file. This is a header file. This is not what I want. How to list all source files. Target list doesn't work for me. No, this is not image list. What's this? Subbinaries. Image dump source info. Target model dump source info. Invalid comment. Doesn't help me. Doesn't help me. Why breakpoint might work? Why my breakpoint doesn't work? Address. Okay, I have address. How to show C++ code around address. I don't want disassembler. I want CPP code. I don't want disassemble. Okay. Okay, finally we can do it. We can do it. Okay. So this like command source list A, and it will allow to look around some address, and we know this address of apply change set function. As you can see, we have breakpoint here, but if we run it, don't hit the breakpoint. For fuck's sake. Why? Why we don't hit the breakpoint? And this is maybe this is why we don't hit breakpoints here. When we put here, we don't hit it actually. Maybe these issues are connected. So this is really interesting and frustrating. How much time? 15 minutes. I really want to rebuild this. Maybe I rebuild my node. But will it help though? No, it will not. I have no idea. This test is run for sure. So we can put like false here. Yeah, and run it like this. And bam, like test failed. So this code get executed. This could get executed, but this apply change set don't translate to actual function call. But why? Why? If I change something here, for example, let's change something here, like this, let's throw and make exit, and let's how it bear make J9 test build. So let's change this guy. Perhaps I built not the thing I need. How would long your best? How long this rebuild will take us? We have built it yesterday, so it should be like instant because it had some caches. And the only thing I changed is like this line, this small line. It should be trivial, but look at this, guys. C++ is insane. There's one small change in full rebuild. Okay, at least it not take like ages. So let's check. Has this file been updated? So Saturday 60. Yeah, this file was updated. This is good news for us. So we can like attach to this file. We can put breakpoint to this guy, and we can check source ground this one. And I need more source code. I need help. How to show more lines? Help. No. List. What is this? What's this? I continue looking sources around. Yeah. This is our source. It's like, yeah, the change is there. The change is there. So like just run it. So it crashed. Of course it crashed. Of course it crashed. But it haven't stopped here. It haven't stopped on my breakpoint. Continue. Exit it. Okay, there's like more information. Why it's crashed. Yes, I run this file. Have you NV micro tasks? A lot of nonsense. A lot of nonsense. Assertion fail. Yes, where assertion fail? It's failed in some weird way. It haven't failed like here. I don't have like this text in my output. Yeah, I don't have this text. Somehow breakpoints don't work. Let's ask ChatGPT how much time. 10 minutes. Oh my god. So I've built a debug node. I have debug symbols. I run the node like this. I put breakpoint like this. How we put breakpoints? How we put breakpoints? This. Our address. Source like this. I can see CPP sources like this. See correct CPU source like this around the breakpoint. But when I do error, I don't hit the breakpoint. The execution ignores it. Yeah, this is our issue. When you run a command, there are a few command. Okay, verify record. I verified record location multiple times already. Our breakpoint location is correct. Node SQLite dataset sync applies changes. V8 const. database sync apply change, database sync apply changes, v8 value, some v8 value, I don't know. It's not like v8 const, but I think it's the same thing. Callback function, callback info. Function callback. Yeah, this is correct function. This is correct function. At node SQL CC. Yeah, it's correct breakpoint. Breakpoint is the correct location. It's here. There. Enabled. Listed and enabled. Breakpoint. Locations 1. Unresolved hit count 0. Hit count 0. Locations 1, resolved 1, hit count 0. Confirm the symbol exists in debug info. Symbol exists in debug info. Yes. Disable just-in-time debugging. Sometimes just-in-time debugging can cause issues with breakpoints. I don't know about this. Tries to set a specific address. Check for inline. Inline function. I compiled O0. There is no inline functions. Different breakpoint methods. Okay, breakpoint set file, line number. Okay, let's try this. This looks promising. So what is our file? Our file is not SQLite CC, our file, I believe. Our file is not SQLite CC, and our line number is, for example, this 773. 773. And let's put breakpoint here. And let's check around this breakpoint. What we can find around it. Source list. Yeah, as you can see, this is like our breakpoint. Run. Yes, kill the process. We can't hit breakpoints. Why? For the love of God, why we can't hit breakpoints? No. If you're running NodeJs debugger, inspect will be aware that inspect flag may interfere with the LLDB ability to stop breakpoints. Inspect. In this case, we need to run without inspect. I don't use expect. How much time we left? So in this episode, we found how to use LLDB and to put breakpoints inside our C++ code, but this is not useful because because they don't work. These breakpoints don't work, and maybe this is because we can't stop on breakpoints here. When I put here breakpoints, it also doesn't work. Yeah, because LLDB somehow doesn't stop on these guys. Somehow, maybe Node.js consumes these exceptions that breakpoints produces, and we can't stop. Maybe how to put software breakpoint in C++ code. Int3 break 0 ARM64. Okay, let's do this. Let's try another type of breakpoint, like put software breakpoint here, exit from here. Yes, recompile our tests. Let's recompile them. It will take some time again. And then, so this is like when you put like different methods. There are different methods of making breakpoints inside the code. For example, you could put some assembly instruction that will raise an exception, and this exception will call a callback. And on this callback, debugger can attach and listen for these exceptions and stop execution of them. Okay, okay. Is this okay? Do we use O0? Oh, we use O0. Look, guys, everything should work fine. So let's run this and just run. And still we die in kernel. Let's exit. Let's fix our code. Let's build again. And search for answers on Google, because I don't know. Put breakpoint inside C++ node LLDB. Remove NodeJs binary. Breakpoints NodeJs models. Black box. Maybe I need to join community on Slack and just ask people around, because it's becoming more and more difficult to actually do. Like, all my previous experience tell me that breakpoints should work, but they don't. It's a trivial task, but it's not trivial. There's something I'm missing. Something really cool, perhaps. Let's compile this. I haven't compiled this. What the fuck? No, it's not compilation. This one compilation. Some parts compiled with O3. But even then, maybe I should try another function. Like, maybe I need to try to put breakpoint on some like entry function, and it will give me more information. Oh, this is frustrating. Frustrating. Let's say at least. I have like several seconds left. Let's short LLDB breakpoints. Don't stop. Okay, LLDB doesn't send breakpoints. Similar question. Okay. Using LLDB can work, but use VS Code can't break it. So there are some things that can intervene in the breakpoint process and breakpoint handling, and it will not work. So maybe I really need to install plugin for LLDB to it work. I need some plugin that will allow my LLDB not to die on my hands and actually stop on breakpoints. But I don't have time to install this plugin today. Maybe I will install it off screen, like this one, LLDB node. So maybe I need this plugin, yeah. Because out-of-box LLDB doesn't stop on breakpoints. I think because Node.js itself intervenes in the breakpoint process and do some crazy shit on these callbacks, and it makes LLDB confused, and LLDB misses breakpoints, because we can actually see source code. We can actually everything works except for breakpoints, which is unusual. Which is unusual, say at least. Okay, I don't have time. Still dying on kernel. Like, okay, this is like strange already. Nevertheless, thank you for your time. So next time we will try to install custom LLDB that designed to handle Node, yeah, and try to solve it. If you like my content, please subscribe, leave a like, and see you next time. Bye.